This video will review the process for completing your course selection. Scheduling must be done on a computer or on a Chromebook. It cannot be completed on a cell phone. First, log into PowerSchool and click on the class registration link in the left-hand bar. You will select a course in all core subject areas first: English, Math, Science, and Social Studies. Click on the pencil to edit your selection. In English, you are required to complete 4 credits by the time you graduate, 1 course each year. The course levels are indicated by the last digit of the course number. A 1 indicates an AP or an honors course. A 2 indicates a college prep level course. A 3 indicates a career track level course, and a 0 indicates an unleveled course. Teachers have created course recommendations for students. You will select the teacher's recommended course, then scroll down and click OK. In math, all students are required to complete 4 credits in order to graduate. The math course sequence is Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. The next course depends on the course level, your grades, and your interests. You are only able to select 1 course in this section. If you would like to double up, you will need to select your additional math course in the Math Elective section. In science, all students are required to complete 4 credits in order to graduate. Most students will have taken ETL or IPS in 9th grade, and then biology and chemistry. The next course will depend on the course level, your grades, and your interests. You are only able to select 1 course in this section. If you would like to double up, you will need to select your additional science course in the Science Elective section. If you are unable to find the course you are looking for, there may be multiple pages. Make sure to click the numbers at the bottom to find and select the course you are looking for. In social studies, all students are required to complete 4 credits in order to graduate. Current 9th grade students will be scheduling World History. Current 10th grade students will be scheduling U.S. History, and current 11th grade students will be scheduling U.S. Government. After you have selected classes in your core subject areas, you can move on to scheduling electives. In any of these subject areas, please make sure to read the course selection book, which describes all of the courses before you select them for your schedule. Once you select courses, these will be the courses that will be added to your schedule. There will be limited opportunity to change your selections once course selection closes. All students are also required to take 1.5 credits of Health and PE. Current 9th grade students should schedule Health 10. After PE 9 and Health 10, you must complete half a credit of Health or PE elective. Students may choose to take a world language. World language requirements vary between post-high school institutions, but most would like to see at least 2 high school credits of the same language. However, it is not a Haverford High School graduation requirement. If you are a music student or another student scheduling an alternating day class, you will need to schedule an alternating day class opposite that in your schedule. All students will be expected to select a minimum of 6.5 credits. Most students will schedule 8 credits, which is a full schedule. This year, we are allowing students to schedule 3 alternate classes. If you do not get your requested courses, we will use the alternate classes to fill your study halls. You will notice that there are alternate classes at the bottom of the course registration screen. These courses do not count towards your 8 credits, but will count as 3 additional credits that we will only use if needed. Remember, it is very important to choose classes that you are interested in and want to take. Once you have completed your course registration, you can hit Submit to view your selections. You should print the page or take a screenshot so that you have a record of the courses that you requested. If you would like to take a course at a different level than the level you were recommended for, you should complete and submit your course registration in its entirety and then complete the course level waiver form located on the counseling website under course selection. This must be completed and signed by both you and your parent and then turned into your school counselor either in person or scanned and emailed before the level can be adjusted. If you have any questions regarding course selection, please reach out to your school counselor.